Good morning, everyone. I will discuss 10 basic international human rights standards for law enforcement. Standard 1, equal protection. Everyone is entitled for equal protection of the law without discrimination of any grounds, especially against violence and other threats. Be especially vigilant to protect potential vulnerable groups such as children, elderly, women, refugees, displaced persons, and other minority groups. In a short explanation, everyone must be treated fairly and equally under the law. Under the law, and regardless of age, gender, race, and status. Example, a police officer protects both wealthy businessmen and street vendors during robbery case. Standard 2, respectful treatment. Treat all citizens and victims of crimes with compassion and respect, with utmost consideration for their needs for safety and privacy. It must be remembered that under the law, all arrested persons and detainees are still innocent and have the right to due process. Only the court can determine their guilt or innocence. Even they already convicted by the court, they still have the right. To be treated humanly with full respect and dignity. And in a short explanation, treat all persons, including suspect detainees, with respect and dignity, innocent until proven guilty. Example: a police officer caught a suspect shoplifting. Instead of beating or hitting him, he informed of his right and bring to the nearest police station. Standard 3, use of force. Do not use of force except when strictly necessary and to the minimum extent required under circumstances. In a short explanation, force should be used only when absolutely necessary. And example, a police officer handcuffs a troublemaker, drunk man instead of hitting or beating him. Standard 4, policing non-violent assemblies. Avoid use of force when policing unlawful but non-violent assemblies. When dispelling violent assemblies, use force only with minimum extent. In a short explanation, do not use force even lawful or unlawful. If necessary, use minimum force. And example, a police officer monitor a peaceful protest or rally without using tear gas or batons. And standard 5, lethal force. Lethal force should not be used except when strictly avoidance in order to protect life and other lives. In a short explanation, a police officer should only use force as a last resort to protect life. And example, a police officer fired a gun to the suspect who fired at him to protect his life. And standard 6, arresting person on legal grounds. Only arrest person with their legal grounds to do so, and the arrest with accordance with lawful arrest procedure. The arrest must be arresting someone needs a warrant of arrest. And standard 7, rights of detainees. Ensure that all detainees immediate after their arrest have access to their family and lawyer. They must be have a medical assistance when necessary. In a short explanation, detainees have the right to call their family and lawyer. And standard 8, humanly treatment of detainee. All detainees must be treated humanly under any circumstances. Do not inflict injuries and any act of torture or ill treatment, and refuse to obey any order to do so. In short explanation, the detainees must be treated humanly. Never use force, violence, or abuse. And standard 9, refusal to obey unjust order. The order or cover up extra legal killings and enforce disappearance, and refuse to obey any orders to do so. Example, a police superior ordered to kill suspect in custody, but the police officer refused and reports it. And standard 10, reporting violation. Report all violation of these standards to your senior officer and to the nearest prosecutor office. Do everything within your ability and authority to ensure steps are taken to investigate violation of these standards. Example, a police officer reports his colleagues for beating up the detainee or a suspect during interrogation.